This much? This
Don't-
is good?
Huh?
This is good?
It's ready.
No, I mean my finger.
Yes. Now look through the hole.
Fire!
You like hitting that corner spot. You hit them in the same spot.
Why do I keep doing that?
You just gotta practice. When you look through the hole, is the hole on the X?
I can't see the white part.
No, the X. You want the hole to be on the black. Like when you look through that little hole, what do you see in there?
I see black.
Fire.
I hit by the
You
10.
did. You did. High five on that one. Clear.
Clear.
You did good on that one.
Thank you. Just do that how I do all of them?
Yeah. And look how you put your finger on it. Don't put your finger all the way on it. Going live.
This good?
Yes, go ahead.
Fire!
You on target. Well, you that one wasn't as good, but you getting better. And come over here.
Oh!
Yeah. So you're in the middle.
Oh, I was right here.
Yeah. You trying to hide.
That's why I was on the other. That's why I was
Right.
That's
Get in the middle. You did a couple of good ones up there. Going live.
Go. Oh.
Excuse me, sir.
I'm sorry.
Would you like us to start it?
Oh, thank you.
No problem.
Appreciate it.
Extra one.
Yep.
Yay.
Hold on.
So if you want to shoot with this gun,
Yep. All right, you ready?
fire.
Nice.
Where'd that go?
You see it?
Oh yeah, right in the middle, right
And towards a little lower. Yep. You're looking good. That's a lot better once you moved over. Because you a lefty, so you got to move to the left. I got one on the X.
there. Going live. Oh, that almost hit me in my face.
Through the hole. Fire. Where did it go? Oh, I see it. It went above the other one.
Oh, I see it.
See, when you do it fast, you ain't gotta, it'll pop out by itself. All right, I'm gonna be quiet. I'm gonna let you do it. Yep. Going live.
Going live. You said to be quiet. Fire. Oh, I saw where that went.
Me too.
It went by the circle.
You like you got it on the black. You did good, babe.
Thank you. I still got a few more bullets left.
How many?
I still got a few more bullets left.
Okay. Is that enough?
Yeah. We have to pause the video, guys.
Now you gotta pull it back. Going live.
Going live. Fire.
I'm liking it. I'm liking it.
It went on the X.
I'm liking it. Yep. Try not to turn around with the gun in your hand.
Sorry.
All right. Yep.
Going live. Fire.
You did it. You did it.
It hit it?
Yes, you did. That looked good. That looked good. You doing good.
Wait, bring it here. I want to see it.
All right, check it out. Check your workout. I'll pause it.